T-Systems is an enterprise division of Deutsche Telekom that provides services and solutions for IT business. The enterprise, with a global infrastructure of computer centers and network, operates information and communication technology from multinational corporations and public institutions. In Mexico, it's a leader company in outsourcing of IT and application management solutions. They have more than 13 years of experience in the practice of design, development, implementation, and operation of solutions in enterprise leader in the market. T-Systems have a lot of services like application management system, dynamic services, outsourcing, SIP services, mainframes, security servers, etc. The company has presence in many countries around the world like USA, Mexico, Germany, Brazil, etc. They have many strong customers like Federal Mogul, VW, Banobras, and Shaw. Now we continue with the interview with Carlos Zelaya, CIO of T-Systems.
Okay, thank you to set the interview for the students of UTLAB. So the first question is, what is the vision of T-Systems?
Well, the vision for T-Systems has two main topics. The first one is to be recognized as one of the three main ICT providers in Mexico. And the second one, and most important, is to be recognized as a production center internationally for the T-Systems world. That means to be providing services in a global way.
Okay. Well, the second question is, which are the services that T-Systems offer in IT?
Well, in IT we have three main branches in terms of services, and we could say that inside of the ICTO, that means the infrastructure. And we have another branch that is the service integration, that is referred to the application development and application management systems. So inside of the ICTO, that is more referred to the IT, we are offering the computing services and solutions that is all about operating systems, data center services, middleware, and SAP basis, for example. And we have another branch that is desktop services and solutions, that means about all the peripherals, PCs, laptops, printers, and everything.
In ERP is like SAP?
ERP is in the service integration area. So we are offering supply chain management solutions, ERP solutions, and some application management systems, not just referred to AMS, also to some other applications.
Okay. What is your best service?
What is our best service?
Yes.
How would you like to mean or
well, do you...
Or star service?
Maybe the ERP is the strong...
Well, inside of the ERP there are several solutions, but SAP is our main service and main goal. As core of our business. All in relation to the SI and also in the ICTO is main focus to the SAP services.
Okay.
So that's means ERP.
How do you see T-Systems in 5 years?
As one of the three main companies providing ICT services.
Okay, this is a nice answer. What's your opinion about cloud computing?
Well, it's great. Has been revolutioning our way of life. For sure, we will should be touching this kind of service in Yahoo and other things like that. But we are offering cloud computing in terms of enterprise business services.
Do you think that T-Systems is a important part of the revolution in cloud computing?
Yes, for sure, but we are focused in the enterprise services, not the service like Yahoo is providing, for example, and others, because we have to support business services that has to be reliant their services in very critical business process. So we are offering cloud computing services, but backed up by SLA services.
Okay. Which are the negative aspects that you see in cloud computing, like governance, like security?
Well, I think that cloud computing doesn't have negative aspects. Maybe cloud computing will have some constraints. And for example, for the government, will be a constraint to do not know where is the information located, what kind of security, because most of the time you will be going through several kind of communications links that you are not so aware about the security level. But I think that they are not negative aspects. They are constraints and depends on the business. But most of the technology is able to face those constraints.
Okay. Why T-Systems is different from another company? Why is the plus that T-Systems offer to the customers to be part of T-Systems?
But you know, it's so easy to talk about cloud computing, and maybe you could reach it a lot in the market. But we were the first ones in offer cloud computing for enterprise, and we are in a different way from most others. We are offering flexible services in terms that the customer pays the service that is using, and not more. So that's our main differentiator. And also because we are a flexible company, we are a very horizontal company. So those two are our main differentiators.
Okay, that means that T-Systems is #1 enterprise to implement cloud computing, focus on the enterprises, on the business.
In the business.
Okay. Okay. The last one is which are the skills that the students need to have to work in T-Systems?
You know, for us it's very interesting, and for sure for you as a student, that anything that you are studying today, I don't know if it will be, let's say, our rules in the future. The issues that we are facing today, they will not be maybe existent in the future when you will be out of the school. So I would say that the main topic for you is to develop capabilities and abilities in order to be able to research, to organize all the information that you will be having in front to solve any kind of issue. So that's, I think, that's the main goal for you to learn in the school, how to use the information. So that's, I would say that.
Okay. Well, it's all for the interview. Thank you for your time, Carlos. It's all.
Okay.